We're here in Milford Water Treatment Plant, County Donegal. On behalf of Uisce Éireann, EPS are here. We're installing a GAC filter and plant upgrade works. But today's activities that we're carrying out on site is a safety drill, safety exercise with all members on site, where we're carrying out a procedure of imitating where operator gets entrapped in a trench. And we're using our own protocols from what we would have from our daily works to our emergency services to getting them. What we're trying to do here today is showing that what we have in place on site, we can activate it at short notice. Also today, what we're glad to have is the National Ambulance Services and local Garda here in Milford to come and give us a brief overview of the rescue and recovery, if required, of the injured person. So the training for us all is, as discussed earlier with the ambulance services, to preserve the life of each other and for the rescue to not make a bad situation worse if somebody going into dangerous conditions and that. So as outlined by the ambulance service there, within all rescues, and he was able to give detailed of previous construction site rescues, whenever the alarm is raised and whenever the first aid is there, to review the site, risk assess it to ensure that nobody is put into danger for the recovery of the person. He highlighted to us on site here how whenever the ambulance would come in conjunction with the fire brigade would be taking the lead in the recovery. They may ask for construction personnel on site using the likes of an excavator to aid in the recovery and the rescue of the injured person, highlighting always that the importance of the rest of the people on site that maintain on site to be there for the injured person without putting themselves at risk. After today's event, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank the emergency services, both on Garda Síochána and the National Ambulance Services, for coming here to site with us, for walking us through an emergency and a recovery and briefing with the detail as what they would expect to see and what have seen in previous accidents. I'd like to thank our subcontractors for taking the time to work with us in this here, and also for Uisce Éireann for their presence here today and their constant advice in relation to the safety of all aspects of construction works. This could not be done without the intense work that the Health and Safety Department and EPS carried out to make this day happen. We continue to evolve our training with the personnel on site. And remember, think safe, work safe, be safe.
EPS, Rethinking Water. Think safe, work safe, be safe.